Hi, my name is Farooq Sensi. I'm the founder of Sensity and Ledge International. The studio that you see here right now is my home studio where I conduct training program for people around the world. I got students from 139 countries right now. All the equipments that you see, including the mic that I'm using right now, this camera and the camera, this is exactly one camera which is recording me as well. It's all taken from Smart Vision, a beautiful and a fantastic team which provides everything of a benchmark, and they are representing benchmark. So everything that I have taken is from Smart Vision. I get customer service even if I call them at 8 o'clock at night or 10 o'clock at night. There's somebody who's going to help me. I want to thank Dheeraj for being so kind, for helping me and getting me everything done whenever I'm stuck. So Dheeraj, once again, thank you very much. And if you are planning to buy something for your studio, or if you are planning to set up your own studio, then it's Smart Vision that I would highly recommend.